Here's a quick little update while I'm waiting to get the car to the shop to get the windscreen sorted out. I've been working on trying to get this overdrive issue taken care of, where the first, second, and reverse lockout switch is not functioning. So that switch is on the very top of the transmission and impossible to get to from underneath the car. There's some info out there that if you take the shifter off and there's a little plate around where the shifter is, you can get a little bit of room. Then you drop the cross member of the transmission down, push it to the right, and if you have tiny hands, you can get in there and fiddle with that switch. Well, I took all that apart and I was not able to get to that switch like some people say. So as an alternative, a temporary alternative, since this is all going to be coming apart probably early next year anyway, is I had a single pole double throw relay, which is right there. Yeah, right there. And what I've done is I wired it into the overdrive power and the reverse light power. So what happens is when I put the car in reverse, it basically just cuts the power to the overdrive. So at the very least, the overdrive is non-functional in reverse. Now it will still be active in first and second. I'll just have to keep an eye on that. But reverse lockout is accomplished with that little relay right there. Not an optimal solution, but a good enough temporary solution until I can get the transmission out and sort out everything else. So that's done.